Hi dears, today I've made crispy tasty samosa with homemade sheets. I have shown easy way to make samosa sheet and you can make 16 samosas at a time. Let's start. You need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and add little salt and add 1 teaspoon of oil and take out the lump. Add water gradually. If your dough become too sticky, then add little flour. Samosa dough should be little harder than chapati dough. I have taken boneless chicken 330 gram. The chicken filling measurement I am showing here for 2 cup of all-purpose flour. Less than half teaspoon of pepper powder. Now close the lid and let the chicken cook well. The chicken is cooked well and juice has been absorbed. Shred the chicken in a mixer or a blender. Add oil to a pan and add 2 green chilies chopped and few curry leaves and add 2 teaspoons of ginger and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Saute it for a minute, then add 1 big onion, long and thin, sliced. Add salt. The onion has become soft. Now add half cup of chopped carrot. Less than half cup of dry green peas soaked overnight and cooked in a cooker till 3 whistles. The peas should not be overcooked. Or you can use the frozen green peas, add it directly. Close the lid, let the carrot cook for 2 minutes. Don't overcook the carrot. Now time to add the spice powder. You need 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder or normal chili powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoon of dhania powder. Mix well. If you have a remaining chicken broth, use 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken broth. Cook it for 2 minutes. Now the masala has been dried. Now add shredded chicken and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and add water and make a semi-thick paste. This helps to glue the samosa foldings. Divide into a 4 equal size and make a ball. I just floured my working surface. Flatten it out until the required size. This measures 18 centimeters. Dust the flour, then keep the samosa sheet. Apply oil. And sprinkle the flour so that the sheet should not stick to each other. Totally I have made 4 samosa sheet. Follow the same procedure. Here I am keeping the last one. Don't press hard while rolling. Gently you have to roll it. This measures 23 centimeter, but little bit up and down is fine. I'm just showing so that you can get a perfect sheet. Tawa is hot. Check the time. One side 30 seconds. Flip it. Again 30 seconds. Again flip it. Now 20 seconds. Then again flip it and 20 seconds. And take it out from the tawa. While it is hot, you have to remove the layers. The samosa sheet is thin and you can see my fingers through it. I will show how to cut the samosa sheet to make samosa without any wastage. Fold it into half and press it. Open the sheet. You can see a straight mark and cut it straight. Again fold the half of a circle. Open the sheet and you can see a straight mark and cut it straight as shown in the video. Keep this samosa sheet in a ziploc cover and freeze it. Fold the triangle shaped samosa sheet as shown in the video. Fold it from the tip of a pointed sheet. If the bottom part is little uneven, it's okay. Still you will get the good shape. Open the sheet, you can see the straight mark. Fold it into half, but always give importance to the tip of samosa. Apply maida paste on the left side. Again fold it in half and keep the finger on the pointed tip and fold and press it gently as shown in the video. Now add the chicken filling in this samosa pocket. You can add 2 teaspoons or 1.5 teaspoon of chicken filling in it. Please follow the step as shown in this video. Oil should be hot when you are adding the samosa. Crispy and tasty samosa is ready to eat. Try this samosa, you will definitely love it. With this hot samosa, you can try fruit custard without custard powder, or you can try chilled custard drink with homemade jelly.